Adjective pattern 2. X is Y to Z. X is the subject. Is Y is the adjective. Z is a verb. Examples. English is easy to learn. 英文係容易學嘅。好，咁乜嘢係容易學啊？ English。你呢度見到咧 ，English 係個 subject，easy 係個 adjective，learn 係個動詞，係啦。咁啊 ，English is easy to learn， 英文咧係容易學嘅。好，咁我哋咧特別留意翻呢一度，我哋用 is 點解啊？因為呢個動詞 is 係配合翻個 subject English， 咁 English。英文啦係 he, she, it 嚟噶嘛，我哋會用 is。Number 2, the books are heavy to carry. Heavy 係咩啊？重，嗰啲書咧係好重噶，搬起上嚟係啦。咁啊 ，so the books are heavy to carry. So what is heavy？ 有咩係咁重啊 ？OK，the books。OK， 個 adjective heavy to carry。咁你見到 carry 係個 verb，the books 係 subject，heavy 係 adjective。好啦，咁呢度我哋用咯喎，我哋唔用 is， 點解啊？因為見到個 subject，the books 係眾數，咁即係話咩啊？係 they 啦，咁 they 我哋會用咁所以咧我哋就會用 the books are heavy to carry。好，嚟個總結，咁我哋今次 focus 咧係個 adjective pattern X is Y to Z， 呢個係 subject，OK？ 呢個係個 adjective 形容詞，而呢一個咧係個 verb 動詞。咁其實我呢度為咗方便大家記，我就話 X is Y to Z 啦。其實呢一個咧係一個 verb to be 嚟嘅，佢可以係 is 或者are，甚至過去式咧可以係was were 噶。好，我哋咧做一做啲排句嘅練習啦。好，咁啊，其實咧做呢個咧 anyway 啦，英文你都要查字典嘅，我呢度幫一幫你嚇。Number 1 heavy 重 dictionary 字典 carry around 搬。好啦，咁首先我哋揾翻，因為頭先我哋話啊嘛，我哋個 pattern 係 X is Y to Z。咁我哋揾翻邊個 adjective 咧，成件事會簡單好多㗎。咁我哋試下做翻第一題先。Heavy 重 ，this dictionary 字典 carry around 搬。好啦，咁我哋睇一睇邊個係 adjective 啊 ？Heavy。咁即係話我哋用翻個 pattern。Do is heavy to do。咁邊個係？乜嘢係好重啊 ？Dictionary. So this dictionary is heavy to carry around. 好啦，字典搬起上嚟係好重。Number 2 puppies 狗仔 keep 去養啦 ，nice 好啦。好啦，邊個係 adjective 啊 ？Nice。好啦，咁我哋又係用翻呢個 pattern。Do is nice 呢個 adjective 啦，擺咗落去先。To do OK， 咁啊 to 後邊我哋擺個動詞 keep， 剩翻呢個位 puppies。 So the answer puppies is nice to keep。 弊啦，你見唔見到呢個眾數啊？應該係先啱㗎。So the answer puppies are nice to keep。 Number 3 learn 學習啦 ，English 英文 useful 有用，邊個係 adjective 啊 ？useful。咁我哋又係啦 ，do is do to do 呢個 useful， 我哋擺咗呢個位先。好啦，前面填翻 English 我哋用 is English is useful to learn。英文係好有用㗎，去學嘅話。Number 4 excellent mean very good， 非常好。find 去揾。students 學生 difficult 困難。咦，非常好同埋困難有兩個形容詞喎。好啦，咁啊 anyway 我哋都係用翻呢個 pattern。do is do to do 呢個擺咗個動詞先。find 乜嘢 is 乜嘢 to find。好啦，呢度邊個係形容詞啊？呢兩個都係。咁似乎邊個啱啲啊 ？difficult 好似啱啲係嘛 ？difficult 乜嘢 is difficult to find？ 咁剩翻 excellent to students。好啦 ，so the answer excellent students is difficult to find。 好學生真係難揾啦。好啦，咁留意呢度呢，原來 is 係唔 OK 噶，應該轉翻做因為記唔記得啊？呢度係眾數嘛，我哋用Number 5 Andy Lau 的呢個 apostrophe s 唔係眾數喎，係解的。Wonderful OK 好美妙嘅。Listen 聽 music 音樂 to 好啦，咁啊，哇，咁我哋又用翻個 pattern 啦。Do is do to do。我哋揾今擺咗個動詞先啦，不如 listen 我哋配 to 噶，咁所以我哋擺埋落嚟。乜嘢 is 乜嘢 to listen to？ 咁 adjective 邊個係 adjective 啊？冇錯啦 ，wonderful 填埋個 wonderful 落去。剩翻 Andy Lau's music。好啦，咁答案就係 Andy Lau's music。Andy Lau's music is wonderful to listen to。不忘擺翻個 full stop 俾佢。Andy Lau 嘅音樂呢係好美妙噶，聽起上嚟。Number 6 raw 生嘅 horrible 好恐怖 eat 食 octopuses。我哋又用翻個 pattern。Do is do to do。發覺揾咗動詞先好啲啊！好，擺翻個 eat 落去先。好啦，剩翻 raw 生嘅同埋 horrible 兩個都 adjective， 邊個擺呢度啊？似乎 horrible 啱啲啊！ horrible 剩翻 raw octopuses 生嘅八爪魚。So the answer raw octopuses is horrible to eat。生嘅八爪魚呢係好恐怖啊！食上嚟。好啦，你哋又會話啦 ，Miss 你又漏啦，冇錯，係啦。咁你哋好醒目啦嚇，見到呢個 is 係唔啱噶，變翻做點解啊？係啦，好長氣啊，因為你要眾數。好，咁我哋今日呢係學咗呢一個 pattern。X is Y to Z。呢個 Y 係一個 adjective， 呢個 Z 係一個 verb。呢個 X 係 subject 啦。咁我哋頭先做咗好多排句子嘅，咁我哋話to 後邊擺咗 verb 先。咁呢度應該冇錯噶啦adjective。OK， 好啦，咁我要特別一提啦，同上次第一個 adjective pattern 一樣啦。呢一度個 is 呢，其實係 verb to be 啦，係 is am are was were， 甚至係 will be 都得嘅。咁視乎翻前面係單數定係眾數，同埋係咩式，現在式定過去式等等。好，咁我哋總括嚟講呢，上一次同今次學咗兩個 adjective pattern。It is adjective that SVO 同埋 X is Y to Z。咁又長氣講啦 ，X 係個 subject，Y 係個 adjective，Z 係個 verb。好啦，咁我哋呢一個 knowledge， 我哋呢一個認知呢，係對做啲 close 嘅 exercise 好有用噶。我哋做一做咧。好，我哋頭先啱先講完，我哋有兩個 adjective pattern。第一個係 It is adjective that， 而後邊呢係擺 SVO 噶。第二個係 X is Y to Z， 咁其實呢個亦都係一個 adjective 嚟噶，而 Z 就係 verb。 好，咁我哋呢個 knowledge 點樣我嚟做 close 呢？做下就知啦。Number 1 Dude, we can have BBQ at school。你見到 we can have BBQ， 無疑就係 SVO 嚟㗎，咁所以係 it is adjective that。So the answer A. It is cool that. Number 2 Dude, he took the time to teach us。 He took the time， 佢用時間去教我哋。He took the time， 好明顯呢個係 SVO， 咁所以好明顯係 it is nice that。 Number 3 The big butterflies do miss。 錯過啊！咦，咁你見到呢度呢，佢後邊唔係 SVO 㗎，係一個 miss 錯過呢個動詞，咁好明顯係用 X is Y to Z 呢個 pattern。The big butterflies 邊個查得啊？冇錯啦 ，A 一定查得，剩翻係 is impossible to 定係 are impossible to butterflies， 咁好明顯啦。眾數我哋用 are。So the answer C. The big butterflies are impossible to miss. Number 4 Yesterday I visited Wetland Park。 嗱，留意呢度，我哋係用 yesterday 昨天 I visited Wetland Park， 我哋用咗過去式嘅喎。嗱，提緊你咯喎。I saw some big butterflies. They look impossible to miss。 嗱，你見到咧，同上面係有啲似㗎，都係話錯過啦吓 OK， 咁3個答案，咁即係話都係 X is Y to Z。 好啦，咁啊睇睇啦 ，It is impossible to 一定查得啦，係咪？因為我哋用 X is Y to Z 啊嘛。好啦，impossible to 定 were impossible to 呢？聰明嘅你一定知啦 ，yesterday， 咁我哋係會用 were 㗎 C。好，今日我哋學嘅新嘢就係 X is Y to Z。X 係個 subject，Y 係 adjective，to 係個 verb。方便易記啦。咁其實呢個 is 咧係 verb to be。另外，我哋喺呢段片裏邊重溫翻兩個上一次嘅 adjective pattern。It is adjective that SVO。咁呢一個 knowledge 咧係幫到我哋做 close passage 㗎。